for the club this year, we're switching to new format. Same price, more stencil, you guys. When does this ever happen, right? So what you get in the club this year is 2 9x12 stencils. And for the first month of the year, I'm the designer. So the one stencil is this 4-part where I cut mine apart. I've already cut them apart here, you can see. So you get these 4 that come in one 9x12. And then you get all these fabulous little ones, 9 of them. So you get 13 stencils that you can cut apart or you can leave together. I obviously love mine cut apart. This is one of my faves, I'll have to say. This one I like a lot. I like them all, but you know how you always get some favorites every time? Well, these are maybe some of my faves, these 2, and actually I like this one and this one. I like them all, you guys. What can I say? They're fun. So if you're ever thinking about joining Stencil Club, remains $25 in the United States. That's the price this club's been for 10 years, and you get so much for being a member of our club. We really, our club members are our favorite people. They're kind of like our VIPs. Does that make sense? They're like our VIP people. So this was made with a couple of these club stencils with, was it this one? No, it's this one. It was made with this one, and there was a little one over here, this little diamond one, but then I covered it up. And I want to tell you what I did with this, because it was a little out of the box. I was just sitting here playing around before we came on air, and I took, okay, wait for it, people, because this is a weird batch of things to put together. I took Distress Mica Stain in Flickering Candle and Distress Spray Stain in Villainous Potion, which is that deep purple. So basically it's like a yellow and purple, and I mixed it together. And then I laid the stencils on top because I was using the mineral paper, and I kind of wanted to see what happened. And because here's what I was thinking. These are opposite colors on the color wheel. You know, it's like using a purple and a yellow, right? Opposite on the color wheel. And they just went into such fascinating colors. And the results of just a spritz of both of these with the stencil really got me excited. I was kind of like, oh my gosh. I mean, I mainly just loved the colors and the depth that resulted from this, and how you could look at this and not necessarily figure out how it was done or what colors were being used here. And that's something I like very much. So again, it was Flickering Candle, Mica Stain, and Villainous Potion Spray Stain. Weird, weird. And it just looked cool. Yeah. Well, I don't call it mud though. I call it the neutral that comes out of these. And I do like it very, very much. And I will do it on purpose as often as I can. So love it, love it, love it.
Thanks for watching. Stencil Girl would love to spark even more of your creativity with technique videos and more. Just click on the links below and you're all ready to stencil.